Are you looking for the best pre-built gaming PCs in 2023? In this video, we will look at some of the best pre-built gaming PCs in 2023 on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. MSI Aegis RS 11th Gen. The MSI Aegis RS 11th Gen is the best pre-built gaming PC on this list. It's not only a great gaming PC but also has some seriously impressive specs for its price range. This computer has an excellent build quality, and it's loaded with tons of powerful components. The SSD and RAM are fast and reliable, and the graphics card can handle most games at high settings. The excellent gaming performance is provided by the 11th Gen Intel Core CPU and options for an RTX 3080 in design that you may upgrade on your own in the future. The casing is one of many standardized components. The power supply, GPU, fans, CPU cooler, and case are all made by MSI. Over the next few years, you can modify, customize, and enhance this kind of pre-built desktop. MSI's keyboard and mouse are enough for getting started if you don't already have them, though you'll probably want to upgrade to a keyboard with mechanical switches later. Number 2. Acer Predator Orion 3000. New players have one of the greatest and most affordable chances to establish a name in the PC gaming industry with the Acer Predator Orion 3000 desktop PC. After all, there's a good reason why it ranks first on TechRadar's list of the best low-cost gaming PCs. Gamers may select from a number of mid-range options from Acer's Predator Orion 3000 lineup, which now includes a 12th Gen Intel processor, an NVIDIA RTX 30 series graphics card, and up to 64GB of DDR4 RAM, all neatly housed in a small micro ATIX case. This PC series naturally makes a few component sacrifices that can only be considered cost-cutting measures. For instance, even though the Orion 3000 has both HDD. Number 3. CLX Set Gaming Desktop. No matter your budget, the CLX Set Gaming Desktop is unquestionably one of the best pre-built gaming PC you'll find anywhere, and we'd even argue that it might be the best gaming PC you can get right now, starting with a respectable AMD Ryzen 5 3600 processor and an NVIDIA GTX 1660 Super Graphics card. You can scale your build up to the most recent Intel Core i9 to 11,900 Kelvin or AMD Ryzen 9 5900X processors with compatible motherboards and pair them with the most recent AMD Radeon RX 69 OXT or NVIDIA RTX 3090 graphics cards with a variety of RAM and SSD configuration, as well as everything in between. You can choose from various chassis, including ones with sleek cable management choices and designs full of RGB lights to suit your taste better. Even the entry-level setup includes the CLX Liquid CPU cooling system, a relatively expensive and uncommon option at this pricing point. Custom projects like this will present certain challenges, such as potential shipment delays depending on the availability of parts. Even our high-end setup would currently ship in under 2 weeks, which is certainly not bad for a PC with an RTX 3090 inside. But that isn't always a given. You can't go wrong with this PC's tremendous array of possibilities. So even if you have to wait a little bit to obtain what you want, you're sure to find a configuration that fits your needs perfectly. Additionally, as every unit is meticulously tested before being shipped to the customer, you are spared the trouble of having to design such a sophisticated system yourself and risking making a mistake. That doesn't rule out the possibility of problems, though, as desktop computers moved across the nation can have a variety of parts come loose during the transport. Number 4. Corsair ONE i300 Compact Gaming PC. The Corsair ONE i300 Compact Gaming PC is the best pre-built gaming PC you can buy when it comes to performance. It's powerful, compact, and built for performance, and it has an excellent price tag. The Corsair ONE i300's extremely small size supports the high price, which is barely larger than the Xbox Series X gaming console. This is true of earlier Corsair ONE gaming PCs as well. This PC is ideal for connecting to a TV in your living room because it packs so much power into a small chassis. It also occupies much less space than a typical desktop PC and looks fantastic on a desk. It's not only little, but it's also well made. However, because of its small size, this PC can be challenging to modify and improve. However, in terms of performance, this is a beast and can easily play any recent game at 4 Kelvin resolution. One of the strongest GPUs available, the RTX 3080 Ti, works well with Intel's new 16-core 12th generation Alder Lake processor to power games like Cyberpunk 2077 and Metro Exodus at the maximum settings and resolution. Additionally, the PC has 64GB of fast DDR5 RAM, which again promises lightning-fast performance, but to be honest, it's a bit too much for most gamers. However, it implies that those searching for a powerful workstation should choose the Corsair ONE i300. You won't find a better tiny form factor PC if you're searching for one that is both highly powerful and nicely constructed than this. There is no escaping the reality that this is very pricey, and that you are paying a premium for the design and some features you may not actually need. Even with the global chip scarcity, there are many more cheap solutions for gamers that are more cost-conscious. Number 5. Alienware Aurora R11. The Alienware Aurora R11 is one of the most durable gaming PC we tested. It's also expensive, but it offers a host of features that may be worth paying extra. Due to its powerful GPU, the pre-built Alienware Aurora R11 managed to get onto our list. NVIDIA's Ampere GPUs are currently quite difficult to find. However, as of this writing, Alienware is shipping with the RTX 3080 and RTX 3090, so that's one option. Although it may be controversial to some, the futuristic design is undeniably relatively tiny compared to the Intel Core i9 to 10,900 Kelvin in our review unit. The RTX 3090 provided excellent gaming performance. It uses primarily standardized components and has lots of space for additional drives.